Hey, what's up guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Alberto Zertuche here. I'm going to be rigging up one of these Go Fish cameras for a guy that's going to go fishing out of Florida. He wants me to go and rig it up so that way he can drop some shark bait. So that's going to be some fun. How can I help you, boss?
Gotta bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call the whole team.
Hey, did you ever figure out that cell line? Remember I brought you a winch or whatever, and then you had problems with a welder?
You brought me the
winch already?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it's right over there on the... You were the one that I was going to have to spool it all up and everything.
Yeah, with that orange line or whatever, whichever it was. And then everything else.
Yeah, I haven't done everything else because I just gotten through with getting caught up with that. But
Well, if you want, I can just leave that one there for whatever, and then when you have it, once you finish up everything, I'll come for it or whatever. That way,
totally
be better for you.
forgot.
And then I was gonna message you too, but I was like, man, I don't want to seem like I'm fucking annoying.
No, sometimes you have to just because I'm
So
bouncing
busy.
around for
Yeah.
so many other jobs, and then now I started this toy drive deal, so we're
shit.
fucking all of them boxes we're gonna fill up for New Life Church with Agape Ranch. So a lot of people are making donations of toys and stuff. And so now we gotta go back through, fill up all the toys or all the boxes, get them wrapped and everything. But our goal is to beat 206 toys that I did a few years ago. So we're getting monetary donations, so I have to go shopping, and then guys that are actually bringing in the toys.
Now, whenever you finish, just I still have you on Facebook. Just send me a message or whatever. But
Shoot me a
if
text.
that one's not it, just if you end up sending that one, just send it. But I'd really like the orange line if you can. If not, I'll take that one. It doesn't matter.
Okay, yeah, I still got orange over there in the back and stuff like that.
Okay. Yeah, I don't even remember what brand it was.
Have you got any blue? Okay.
Yeah, just let me know, Albert.
All right, boss.
All right, thank you. I appreciate you.
Yes, sir. All right, so I gotta get some things together because I'm bouncing all over the place with the toy drive and what we got going on in the shop normally. So this is something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, was actually build one of these for shark fishing and stuff. So I thought about letting him take mine, but mine are not rigged for big rig shark. He wants to be able to use it for big rig shark fishing. So there we go. I don't like those little wires sitting there trying to unspin them. I just go and get them cut. Oh, wow. Okay.
That was my case manager, and I was letting her know that Santa's going to be here on the 19th.
Mm-hmm.
And she said once we get all the details of what charity it's going to be and everything like that, to let her know, and she'll spread the word in her department for all the little kids to come and bring unwrapped toys and get their picture with Santa.
That's it.
It's going to be for this one?
Yes. Oh, okay. For that one, that's actually for us. We're gonna be that's gonna be Team Hard Life, giving back to the community and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try and find like families that are real in need of help to try to go that route. But if not,
for that one on the 19th that we're going to do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
yeah. But if not, then we're gonna be looking for. I mean, like we normally do. We normally find families here locally that need help and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm I'm all over the place today. So,
No, that's fine.
So what I'm doing is I've got some 400-pound cable right here, and I'm going to go and double crimp it on both sides. just because he is going for shark. He is planning on using our 1,200 pound leaders over here, so I want to make sure that no matter what part of the leader he grabs, this will not be the weakest point. Okay. Why is a 2.2 with my 1.9? And even the system here, these are rated for 1,200 pound test. Now, the one thing that I do know is that I'm going to have to add some kind of flotation device to this to keep it up off the bottom, so that way it also stays upright and will hopefully give us a real clear picture of whatever he hooks up into while I'm making my mess over here on my countertop. And the marine grade heat shrink that I'm using has an adhesive on the inside, and I like that, so that way it can kind of create a strong connection point here. And then I'm going to attach another piece right here, so that way it keeps the cable in line that way. And I'm going to do it on the front and the back side. Hopefully the shark doesn't grab the camera and actually crush it itself, but if it does, well, then they will have some epic above water footage on there. So we're gonna definitely check that out. Where is the lighter? Alright, so even though I've added the float on there, that will make it float up right this way, also keeping the camera level. This is something that I learned after a lot of videos and testing and trial and error on my behalf. So now we can open our long line clip, attach our drop, and put the bait out, which will be over here. And since he will be fishing in Florida, he should have real clean water to play with. So being 4 or 5 feet away is gonna be okay. So there we go. That is what it looks like. Now we're gonna go ahead and start getting it charged up for him, because he'll be picking it up tomorrow. This will save him some time and ensure that it is set up for that. Got my chargers here. We'll go and get him one step closer to being already ready to rock and roll. Go. Whew, that was some work. Now I gotta clean up my mess before I go home. Just remember, guys, we are doing the toy drive for Agape Ranch. We are accepting gifts, monetary donations, which will all be included in there. So far we have raised $315 so far in donations. So that's not including the $100 that I already pitched in to match the first donation that came through. And we still got to buy a lot of toys, and still, like I said, I want to make sure that we pass up our 266 mark, and if we can double it, triple it, quadruple it, let's do it, guys, because if we fill up all the boxes for every single one of the kids there, then it's going to roll on to our next one that we're going to start on Monday. So again, guys, we are going to be putting out a lot of toys this year. It is something that we haven't done in quite some time. So we desperately need to help out the community and pay it forward. So here we go. Stay tuned on that. We still got the drawings going on as well. Quick little update on that. Drawing number 12, we have sold 18 now for the SX Raptor. Drawing number 14, we have sold 13 for the MXL. Drawing number 15 for the Team Hard Life rod, we've sold 9. We have 17 left. Drawing number 16, we've sold 3. We have 35 left, and that's for the LX Raptor. And these are fully spooled up reels. The Team Hard Life rod will be custom made to the winner's preference and or choosing, and we will go from there. So stay tuned, guys. It is coming. I can't wait, really can't wait to see how all this rolls out this week, and then in the next few weeks as we continue to find a way to pay it forward. It's the end of 2021, guys. We want to finish off on a monstrous strong foot, which will lead us into 2022, guys. So thank you very much. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up, and turn on your notifications, guys. Share the link of our channel to all social media so we can grow, because we got some big giveaways we're trying to do, but we can't do it till we hit the 15,000 subscriber mark, which can happen at any day. It's coming, guys. And to all our new subscribers, I want to thank y'all for subscribing and staying proactive with the channel. That's how I always choose my winners, is off the comments and being subscribed to the channel. So let's rock and roll it, guys.